How to change song on Instagram post after posting. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the song on an Instagram post after posting. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now open the post where you want to change the song. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Here's the important part. Currently, Instagram does not allow you to directly change or replace the music on a post once it has been published. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. If you want to change the song, you'll need to delete the post and upload it again with the new music. Before deleting, you can tap on the three dots and select Save to keep your content. Now, delete the post. After that, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Upload your media again, and this time, choose the correct song before publishing. Then go ahead and post it. Quick tip: always double-check your music before posting because editing music later is not available yet. And that's it. That's how you can change the song on an Instagram post after posting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!